In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do double unders in the most efficient way possible so you can be crushing some high rep PRs in no time. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we are all about having fun right here, and I know you like to have fun, so hit that subscribe button really quick. But today's video, we're going to be talking about some double unders. Some of us know how to do double unders, we just want to know how to do them better. You're in the right place. If you don't know how to do double unders at all, you're in the right place as well. So last week, we talked about 3 jump ropes. We had the beginner's jump rope, intermediate jump rope, and the advanced jump rope. If you haven't seen that video and you don't have a jump rope yet, go ahead and check that out. If you do have a jump rope, you may not have the right jump rope, so still check that out. We're also giving away a jump rope at the end of this video, so stick around. But today we're going to show you a bunch of tips and techniques on how to get started on double unders as well as make them more efficient. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so today's rope, I'm using this RPM rope. I don't know if you can see it, but I've got these cute little pink handles and the yellow cable. If you watched last week's video, you know why I'm using a yellow cable, because if the wall over here is black and gray, the floor is black, other things are crazy, not very many things are going to be bright yellow, and I can see my cable wherever it is rotating around me. Therefore, better double under. So let's get to it. So when I'm starting out teaching a brand new member here how to do double unders, I want them to know the importance of it is not something that you just pick up overnight. You will get frustrated with this. Some of us are even frustrated with it for years, so do not get frustrated and give up. Just keep practicing. If you're in the middle of a workout, it's more important to get your workout in than practice. So go ahead and practice outside of your class, unless of course it's like 500 double unders and you just want to get some work in. So I have one simple rule when I'm teaching all the new members here how to do double unders, and that is you don't need a rope. So I know you just picked up your rope, you stood up, you were ready. Take your rope, throw it to the side. We don't need it right now because we're going to be working on our rhythms and we're going to be doing jump taps. So when you're doing this, we're going to jump a little higher than our usual single unders and we're going to tap at the top at our hips. So we want to do jump, tap, jump, tap. So when you're doing this, keep your hands nice and close to your side like a penguin. We're going to jump high like a pencil jump, tap at the top, jump, tap, jump, tap, jump, tap. Once you think you have that, make sure the tap is at the top. Let's move on to the next part. So the next part, this is the most crucial for you to progress into actual double unders with your rope. It's all about timing, rhythm. If we don't have it, we need to keep working on it. And the best way to do that is to film yourself doing this so that you can see everything happening rather than just relying on what you're hearing right now. So we're going to jump, tap, tap at the top. It's really important. This is the hardest thing right now, is not to tap on the way down. It has to be jump, tap, tap at the top. Jump, tap, tap, jump, tap, tap. Keep the same rhythm. We want to make sure those hands are nice and close to our sides. Jump at the top, tap twice. If you're on the way down and you're tapping once you're close to the floor, that rope will not clear the feet and you're going to either hit yourself in the hips and it's going to hurt, smack yourself in the back, it's going to hurt worse, hit yourself in the glutes, it hurts way worse, all right? You may even hit your toe. I don't know if you guys have ever hit your toe with a rope. It hurts like hell. All right, I know that you came to this video just to learn how to do double unders, and so far we haven't used a rope yet, but I want you to pick up that rope because it's time to learn some double under technique. And the first thing we're gonna do is take a step back and learn high singles, as I call them. So we had our jump, tap, jump, tap. We're gonna break it back there, but with our jump rope. So we're gonna do high singles, meaning we're gonna jump a little higher than our normal single, and we're gonna force that rope down as we're at the top. So just like our jump, tap, we wanna jump high, force our rope when we're at the top. That way we can control the speed and tempo of the rope the entire time. We're gonna do this a little slower than usual, so jump and float to get that levitation feel and then force that rope underneath. Keep those hands nice and close to your side. If they're not, it's gonna make your rope really short and we're just gonna get tripped up over it a lot. So go ahead, click pause, hit those high singles, and then come back to the video. Oh, it's time for some double unders. I hope you're ready for it because we're going to get into it. And right now I'm gonna give you guys a couple rules. Rule number 1, don't get frustrated, obviously, because that is the number one thing that's gonna keep you from getting better. As you get frustrated, you give up. Like I said in that last video, I throw my ropes when I get pissed off, but guess what? I go over to the end of the gym, I pick it up, and I come back and I finish the workout. So if you get pissed, throw the rope, go pick it up, and then come back and finish what we started. And so the second rule is all about our hand placement. This is super important that the hand is in front of the elbow and also below the elbow in order to get the longest rope possible and the most control of your rope while keeping that elbow tucked in to your side. This is gonna help you get the best efficient double under. We also have a third rule, which is kind of self-explanatory. Do not accept poor technique. So you're gonna see some piking, you're gonna see some weird over-exerted energy jumps. Those are not what you want to do. If you start doing these things, you're going to build habits. And I see athletes all the time at local competitions who either they just learned improperly and never really wanted to fix it, or they built that habit and it's just so hard to get out of. So what I want you to do, if you start piking or if you start doing this weird little look what I can do thing, you don't want to continue. So stop it and try to get the good pencil jump. Straight up, nice tall chest, full straight through body. That's what we're gonna aim for. So let's get into our double unders right meow. Alright guys, that is it for the day. If you enjoyed this content and you got a few double unders, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also comment, how many double unders did you get today? Did you get any? Did you get some? If you need more help, you can actually reach out to me. Comment below and I can try to help you a little bit. You can even send me a video on Instagram at gemology.fitness. I can help you guys out however you'd like. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and today's winner of that jump rope is... I need to enter in like a drum roll right here. It is Cynthia Gonzalez. So you just won a RX Smart Gear jump rope, courtesy of Gemology, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next video.